Wait, can y'all hear, chat? Bro, chill, bro. We at the range, bro. Chill. My bad. It's the other way around?
Magazine goes in, 4 fingers over the top, or I can use the optic. I tuck my elbow in, squeeze hard, I push back, and I let it go. Let it go. But just make it down that way.
We war prepared, bro. Come on, Twain.
Keep it 100. Like, imagine if this was a robber, he'd be gone.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I'm about we go pluck some.
We Gucci.
I'm talking about go like that motherfucker. Might not be that accurate.
Yeah, they can